There are numerous items accessible to Massager for SmartPains. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best massager for SmartPains from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. SKG Neck Massager with Heat. This neck ache reduction massager completely different with different neck massager. It's lighter than different neck and again massagers, which is barely 180 grams. The Wi-Fi design makes it extra handy to make use of than different neck and shoulder massagers. Vibrating therapeutic massage is extra stress-free than different TENS therapeutic massage. Modern ring-shaped pink mild design, specializing in neck muscular tissues, successfully relieving soreness. No robust kneading feeling. SKG G7 Pro Neck Massager with 9 vibrating therapeutic massage head. 630 nm infrared radiation penetrates to the decreased 10 mm muscular tissues, relaxes muscular tissues, and the heating operate focuses on heating the highest of the cervical backbone, successfully relieving core ache, dredges the meridians, promotes blood circulation. SKG G7 Pro Deep Tissue Kneading Neck Massager with Warmth. Have 4 modes and 3 ranges of a sizzling compress to alleviate neck ache and relieve physique fatigue. It could utterly change your masseuse. Number 2. Theragun Elite Handheld Electric Massage Gun. Patented Theragun Triangle ergonomic deal with permits deep tissue ache reduction with versatile positioning, whereas decreasing stress on the wrist, arms, and arms. Therabody's mission is to offer you the efficient, pure options you might want to take cost of your each day wellness. We've mixed training, innovation, and over a decade of pioneering inside the Tech Wellness House to make wellness extra accessible for everyone. Extremely quiet with superior sound insulation and premium design. Soften away your rigidity and empower your recovery with Theragun Elite Deep Tissue Handheld Therapeutic Massage Gun. With 5 attachments and 5 speeds, your machine has the facility to therapeutic massage any space like a professional. Bluetooth-enabled muscle remedy you'll be able to take management of. Theragun Elite, developed by Trade Chief Therabody, gives deep muscle rest and ache reduction. Handheld and simply customize. Each athlete deserves to get better the sooner and smarter Therabody method. Number 3. Alicorn Pulse TENS Unit Neck Relax. Constructed in thermostat, as comfy as a sizzling towel, promote higher blood circulation, relieve stress and tiredness. You might flip off the heating characteristic of pores and skin is delicate. Strive completely different mode from stage 1 depth and add stage progressively. This is not a traditional massager. It is electric stimulation for neck area. This neck gadget makes use of low-frequency electrical pulse remedy, TENS unit deep tissue set-off level circulation, obtain deep leisure of cervical backbone and relieve stiffness. Breathable comfortable silicone. The Clever Cervical Backbone Massager adopts the most recent 3D Clever Becoming expertise, which might simply modify the electrodes in keeping with your neck curve, making it extra snug to make use of. Appropriate for on a regular basis use. 15 minutes auto shut-off characteristic, give you mini therapeutic massage session between busy schedules. Outfitted with excessive high-quality Sort-C charging port rechargeable. Number 4. Smart Dynamic Cupping Therapy Set. Utilizing the superior pi conduction heating expertise, cupping set can warm as much as the specified temperature quickly, 100.4-122. The heating ingredient can effectively break down the surplus lactic acid within the muscular tissues and relieve muscle pains. You may select the proper suction that fits you once with the 1 to 12 stage adjustable suction management. Cupping set therapeutic massage remedy cups combines cupping, scraping, and red light all collectively. The management panel is clear and straightforward to learn, to be able to simply get began. There are not any complicated vacuum tubes or number of cups. You may simply do all of it by yourself without anybody's assist. The cupping machine provides a dynamic mode on the idea of the unusual cupping mode, which might relieve ache, promote blood circulation and detoxing. This provides you with the cupping expertise. The distinctive one-button strain reduction mechanism immediately releases the cup strain and saves the ache when taking the cup. Cupping set. The built-in superior temperature management chip ensures a continuing temperature. Sensible operation detection. After 20 minutes steady work, it would set off the AI safety system and shut down mechanically to guard you. Number 5. Knee Massager Large LED Screen. The heated knee massager has an ergonomic design that wraps comfortably across the joint with the help of adjustable Velcro straps. Is not going to straightforward slip down. You'll get pleasure from this sleek cowl massager on a regular basis. 3 ranges of vibration electrical knee massager provide personalized muscle rest on your knee, helps to knee ache ease, and make it extra snug. 10 minutes therapeutic massage timer to keep away from overuse and go to sleep throughout therapeutic massage. This electrical cordless vibration knee therapeutic massage gives ample warmth and scale back for these affected by rheumatic illnesses, muscle soreness, joint discomfort, joint swelling, arthritis, power knee ache, meniscal tear to make it snug. Giant LED contact display screen, clearly seen in straightforward to function. Point 3 non-compulsory heating ranges to regulate the temperature, vary from 107 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Technique heating pad therapeutic massage can do work for knees, helps rather a lot, particularly for unhealthy climate. As a result of it actually decrease the discomfort and save heat.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.